equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Laptop 4 without causing any damage. First, power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the extraction process. Once powered down, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to work on. Next, using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your device. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. After removing the screws, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Carefully run the spudger along the edges to release the clips holding the back panel in place. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back panel is loose, lift it off and set it aside. Now, you will see the internal components of your Surface Laptop 4. Locate the duo disc, which is typically situated near the center of the device. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static electricity from damaging the internal components. To remove the duo disc, you will need to disconnect the cable attached to it. Gently lift the connector using your fingers or a spudger, being careful not to apply too much force. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once the cable is disconnected, you can remove the duo disc from its slot. Take a moment to inspect the disc for any signs of damage or wear. If you're planning to replace it, ensure you have the correct model compatible with your Surface Laptop 4. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good practice to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain optimal performance and longevity of your device. After cleaning, place the duo disc back into its slot and reconnect the cable securely. Ensure everything is aligned properly before proceeding to reattach the back panel. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel in place. Once all screws are tightened, power on your Surface Laptop 4 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. With these steps, you should now have successfully extracted the duo disc from your Surface Laptop 4. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.